prepare yourself for the most disgusting PC that I have ever seen. So this is the PC that my dad uses to run his CNC mill. It sits out there next to it. It collects a lot of dust there, and it has managed to take itself together in less than a year, I'd say, because it has a 3600 in it, so it can't be that old. And it's gotten really dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice good clean, a nice satisfying clean for you all to watch and enjoy, because I know I'm going to. Okay, so that was a really satisfying cleanup of this here Ryzen system. Runs a little quieter now. It doesn't run any cooler because it's all just fan speed related. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, subscribe, like it, and we'll see you next year, buddy. She's gonna go right out to the disgusting atmosphere that she lives in.